2012 MKS. With standard features including an invisible keypad that senses your arrival, intelligent access keys that allow ignition at the touch of a button, and a power rear window sunshade, the Lincoln MKS is technologically breathtaking. Boasting a 3.7-liter V6 engine, it is also powerfully smart. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, CD changer, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, all-wheel drive, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, driver airbag, cruise control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, keyless entry, aluminum wheels, floor mats, keyless start, four-wheel disc brakes, climate control, universal garage door opener, rear defrost. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.